Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact the PI browser support chat. PI browser is the official gateway to the PI network app KYC utilities built by the PI community. And if you're facing issues like the PI browser not loading, app errors, KYC problem, or the account related concern, the best way to get help is through the PI browser support portal. And in this video I'll show you exactly how to contact with the PI browser support the right way. So first you need to have a PI browser. If you do not have, so you can go to the App Store or the Android Play Store and you can download it from there as well. And after that you can simply open to your PI browser here and make sure to log in with the PI network account linked to your issue. And over here on the PI home screen you need to look for the chat just beside the KYC, and over here on the chat of your channel, the frequently asked questions, here you can simply go to the general English or the announcement, tap on the general, and over here this acts like a support chat where the PI system reviews and respond to your message. After submitting, you can return to the support portal anytime to check your updates or the replies. Responses may take time due to the high user volume, so be patient. And that is it. This is how you can contact with the PI browser support safely and correctly. And if this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or question, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.